Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to your Wix website and customize the result pages. This is a fantastic feature that helps your visitors quickly find exactly what they're looking for on your site, improving their overall experience and making your website much more user-friendly. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific website settings you need to access. Now that you're on this page, take a moment to preview the website settings displayed. Make sure this is indeed the website where you want to add the search bar. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites, to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen beside a pen icon. Click on it. This button is your gateway to editing and customizing the visual elements of your website. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the plus Add Elements button located on the left navigation panel of your screen and click on it. A list of various elements will appear. From this list, look for the option named Menu and Anchor and click on it. This section contains navigation tools that will help enhance how visitors interact with your site. Under the Menu and Anchor section, locate Site Search. You'll see different site button options to choose from. Once you've selected the style you prefer, simply drag it onto your website canvas. And just like that, you've successfully added a search bar to your site, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to customize how those search results appear. Click on the search bar element you just placed, and you'll see a menu appear on top of it. From this menu, select Manage Search Results. This will direct you to the results page where you can fully customize how search results are displayed to your visitors. On the search result page, you'll see a small customization window pop up. This is your control center for fine-tuning the search functionality. Start by clicking Manage Settings. Under the Search Settings menu, you can customize and choose which pages the search results will show by simply toggling their headers on or off. This gives you full control over what content is searchable on your site. You can also adjust the placeholder text inside your search bar under the display settings, making it more inviting or specific to your audience. If you want to change the layout of the text and alignment, head over to the Layout section where you can customize each search design element. And finally, under the Design section, you can personalize the visual appearance of your search results to match your website's overall aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully added a search bar to your Wix website and customized the result pages to create a seamless search experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.